2, 1, go. Let's go. Huh. They made a really good screen. This is just 10 out of 10. Let's see what this is. Vivid. Hi there everyone. Today we're driving a 2025 Mini Cooper Countryman S on our channel. Let's get fired up. And let's go take a look outside, shall we? I've always really loved these Mini Coopers. They have this unique styling that you'll never mistake it for any other car out there. And I've had a lot of chances to drive the older Minis, and you can find some video reviews of them. I know I made an extensive Countryman S review for the previous generation, but not the new one yet. So I am super curious and excited to try this car, see what it's like, how it drives, and is it really worth getting over, per se, the X2, the BMW X2. Well, this specific one is $43,995 sticker. Obviously, I'm sure after you find a discount, or you'll be able to get it for a lower price. And these definitely have rebates, so you can find a good deal on them. So hard touch material here, typical BMW buttons. This is more like cloth, but a very nice cabin. I'm 6'2", and it feels wonderful to be in here. There's plenty of space, plenty of headroom. We got this enormous panoramic sunroof. Excellent seats. I think these are super duper comfortable. We got vents in the back, quick charging USB ports, and sport style seats. Very cool blue interior color. I gotta say, I like sitting in the back here. It feels awesome. And let's check out the rear seats. I'm sorry, the rear trunk. Decently spacious for what it is, not bad. I think you can fit quite a good amount of stuff in there. Definitely a couple of suitcases. All right, let's go take a look at the engine. So this right here is a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbo. Pumps out 241 horsepower and 295 feet-pound of torque. Oof. Gosh, that can freak out anyone. Oof. Bayerisch Motoren Werke AG. Did I say that right? Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. So if for all the Germans out there, feel free to correct me. I'll probably say Bayerisch Motoren Werke, something like that. But here we go. All right, well, let's go take a look inside this Mini Cooper. We got obviously the floor mounted pedals like BMW. Lots of storage space here, plenty of it, which is a great. Slidable armrest, some more fast charging USBs. We have a 360 camera. Wow. Parking assistance. Panorama view. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go back real quick. Swipe to rotate the vehicle. Now, how cool is that in a Mini Cooper? I love the graphics. They're crystal clear, top-notch quality, incredible. Car wash mode. Seriously, this is exactly like BMW's setup. They also have the same options, the same views. 415 miles to the tank. Maybe you could do even better. We got a heads-up display right here. I don't know if you can see it, but that is super duper cool. Let's see what else. Lane departure warning. We're gonna take that, turn that off. Let's see, experiences. What is that? Experiences. Core, go-kart, green, vivid, timeless, balance, trail. We're just gonna start with the normal core, and then we'll work our way to go-kart. I'm definitely curious to see how this car performs. And of course, let's take a look at the enormous, gigantic sunroof. This is absolutely huge. Wow. And of course we have the cabin camera. I'm guessing you turn these on. Oh, like that, yeah, with the touch sensor. Cool. Yeah, that's how you turn them off. Cool. All right, well, let's look at the infotainment. We got the Apple CarPlay, phone, navigation system. How cool is that? OMG. This is actually amazing. I love this infotainment. This is actually incredible. We got phone, climate settings here. So everything is very straightforward. Let's do a washer test. And then horn test. Seat moves right up for me once I'm ready to go. And let's get started. Let's adjust the mirrors. They're also auto foldable. Steering wheel is nice. High quality leather, very good to the touch. It's got excellent grips and support. I'm guessing you can also go through it like this. Personal assistant, MPGs, love it. Alexa, Apple CarPlay. Seats feel great, supportive, comfy. The question is, how do I go back now? Like this, all power. Okay. Home. This Mini can sure move. And this is super cool. Go-kart experience. Oh, wow. It actually feels wonderful to be in this car. I love the way the hood looks. It's very easy to feel the size of this vehicle. We also have Harman Kardon speakers. Man, this is perfect. Seriously. Power is great here, no complaints. Enormous improvement over the older powertrain. But now we should do some acceleration tests, do some backroad driving a bit, and then head back. All right, so let's do our first acceleration test. Off idle, 3, 2, 1. Go, let's go. Excellent. Alrighty. So with the first run that we did 0 to 60 in 6.87. As you can can see 6.84 here, 1/8 mile, 9.72 at 76.45. 0 to 100, 7.21, 1/8 mile, 9.72. Quarter mile came in at 14.79 at 98.05. Phenomenal time, and 60 to 100, 8.78. These are some awesome times, seriously. Let's do one more try backwards, and then we will do a boosted start. Now the powertrain here is awesome, seriously. Let's check how the brakes are here. Alright, let's come to a full stop. Alright, so let's do it. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Thinks for a sec and then we're off. .05 here. Alrighty. So here 0 to 60 came in at 6.97. This is a little uphill. 0 to 62 in 7.29. And then 1/8 mile, 9.79 at 75.36. So as you can see, the times have remained very, very consistent, I would say. Three, two, one. Yeah, I don't know how to do the launch thing off for the. Don't know how to do the traction off. But yeah, there we go. Very consistent times. Same trap speed, 76.46, so it hasn't lost any power. Now again, I think with the launch feature, we could definitely do way better. Check the turn-in. Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go into core mode. So excellent performance here. I love the speedometer though. Let's do some backroad driving now, see how she feels. Haha, excellent turns. Road feel is excellent. Very planted. So one more thing that I came to realize here is that you can't really do any launch control. You know, I've tried disabling the traction or the drive support, whatever it's called, and still, despite all of these efforts, it still doesn't want to do anything. It doesn't want to build any RPMs. So that's fine. It's perfectly fine. It definitely has excellent driver engagement. Has a super solid road feel. Ride quality feels nice. It's not too stiff. It's actually surprisingly comfortable for this kind of car. And I definitely think this is a big upgrade overall compared to the older generation. And this infotainment, honestly, I love it. It's gorgeous. Alright, let's do one more U-turn radius check. acceleration here is not a problem whatsoever. Surprisingly fast car. Once you're moving and once it's in the boost, you're good to go. There is a little bit off the line lag, which is typical for 4 cylinders. But once it kicks into that boost, you're gone. And also, I love the way this cabin feels. These just like, sides of the hood, the exterior, the interior, I think it's great. Excellent vehicle. If you want a BMW that doesn't look like a BMW and looks like something different, this may be very well your car that you should get. Because fundamentally, you're getting all the BMW components, the suspension, the steering, the materials, the sound, everything. It's straight from BMW. The only difference is that you don't drive a BMW. And this, in my opinion, it does feel very special in a way that it's not like other cars. It doesn't feel like other cars. It feels different. And it just has a lot of cool, unique touches which are specific to Mini Cooper. But yeah, excellent infotainment here. You got a very adjustable heads-up display. But let's try some different experiences here. So green. Huh. They made a really good screen. This is just 10 out of 10. Let's see what this is. Vivid. Timeless. Haha. Okay, now that is cool. I love that. This is amazing. Balance. What is that? Something is happening to my seat in the back. There's actually massage here. Can you imagine there's actually massaging seats? I didn't know that there's such a thing here. Trail. What is that? Somehow the massage just turned on. And I don't know what to do here. How do I turn it off? I guess. Maybe like this. Nope. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it does have massage. Can you imagine? In a Mini Cooper, a massage. Wow. But seriously, this was one of my favorite infotainments that I've seen. Phone, map, speed, media, climate, everything here is super easy to understand. Literally very easy to use, no problem. But thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to let me know what you thought about this test drive. And again, huge thank you to Karan for making this test drive possible today. I will attach all his information in the description, so you're welcome to reach out to him if you're looking for a Mini Cooper. But make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.